Hello guys, today I'm going to do the unboxing for a new laptop that I just got. I bought. It's called Inspiron 15. Yes, it's called Inspiron 15. So the box is arrived. I'm going to open up. Very interesting this time around. And I bought. I think it didn't come with the back. Last time you used to get the back, but this time around they won't give you a back. I don't know why, but it would be nice if it comes with back. So this is a cable adapter along with the battery. And very simple, straightforward packaging. So this will be on fresh. What else do we have? That's it, that's about it with the book guide. So I'm gonna open this up, check whether it works. So this is an adapter for cable charging. For the quite good. I'm just gonna try to turn it on and put up. It's now very simple, straightforward. They have a USB over here. I'm not sure what this card is. This is the outs for the audio. Very light, straight, very simple. Silver HDMI, another USB port. So meaning they have a 3 USB port 2 here, and the other one is right here. There's an outs for the audio, and this is the charging side. So yeah, nice. Try to turn it on. Very interesting. They put this one over the left side a bit instead of put it right in the middle. I think they want to sync together with this spacebar. So let's try turn it on. Up. I won't say much about the interface and so on, the system, so I just try it on, see what it works. Hopefully everything goes well. Let's make it to plug the cable, see whether it works. Another 2 seconds. Still work. What is that? There, meaning it actually works, and hopefully the power is working. There you go. Thank God it worked. So far it looks good to me. It's very straightforward. I like the surface, the material. I like there's a camera on top here, and this is a 15.6 inch. It cost me about 2,399 ringgit. This is a processor Intel i5. I think enough for my kids to just use for using as assignment and cover editing for graphics, poster and so on. And not sure whether it's a game recommended for gaming, but I think it's enough just for doing for his assignment and Microsoft Office. It comes with the Microsoft Office for 1 year supply, and as well for the McAfee antivirus. And you don't really need that, but after a year, I think they are
to set up your device using a screen.
I think I'll leave it the process here later on for myself, and so far I'm quite satisfied. And later on I will come up with the second phase of my video talking about the experience using the desktop. So far I'm buying this because it's quite reasonable. The price is about 18,000 a review. People bought it already. So when you buy something, you need someone that can experience it. They sold quite a lot of numbers. It makes you quite convinced to buy. And I believe that you don't want to buy something that's quite rare. So you wonder whether the spec part is around, easy to change and so on. So I don't want to take a risk. So in order for me to my knowledge about laptops not that much, but as far as I'm concerned, when you buy something, you need product that being reviewed and being sold for many other users. I mean people. So that's how you bought the stuff. So hopefully it works well. And that's it for now. So this is a Dell Inspiron 15. You can go to the official website and get it from there. Alright, thank you. Bye bye now.